Hello, it's Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king from the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Proud and excited to give away another award here at the Superstore. Hang on, we'll stop this phone here. And this year, again, this is the Betty Hoskins Award. We give away all kinds of awards here at the Superstore for people that were with our organization for many years. Betty Hoskins was an outstanding office manager for us for many, many decades. We appreciate her help and cooperation. And our recent winners of this award are Rachel Michaud, Sienna Whitfoth, Amy Geigler, who's also getting it again this year, Glenda Cotton, Linda Whitfoth, who was with us for many decades, Amy Geigler again back in the day, Sienna Whitfoth, who's in our audience, my good friend Jeannie Fultz, who we worked with here for many years. R.I.P. Jeannie, we love you, honey. And this year, we're proud and excited to give the Betty Hoskins Award for outstanding performance in operations excellence here at the Superstore as we're about to celebrate our 60th anniversary again this year to Amy Geigler. Amy, congratulations.
Thank you, Ralph.
What do you got to say about your group?
I couldn't do any of it without the team that we have in the office. We have an exceptional group of women in there that work really hard. We work great as a team. And we just make sure that we get everything done for the store that we possibly can so that everybody else is good to go.
Yep. Again, the office is the hub of the wheel, right? Sales, service, parts, body shop, receivables, payables, it all goes into the office. And without these people doing their job great, you can't run a great operation. So thanks to Amy and her entire team for all that they do to help the Monroe Superstore win, help us satisfy customers, and help us keep satisfied team members so our team members can satisfy customers. So congratulations on your award, Amy. And again, please join us as we're about to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Low Payment Kings at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore here in 2026. We look forward to serving you and saving you more at the Monroe Superstore. See you soon. God bless and good luck.